Looking for a well-equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Alpine White. With high-intensity discharge headlamps, blind spot and crosspath detection, 18-inch gloss black wheels, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, gloss black exterior accents, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 6,715 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Beats premium audio system, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start system, MySky power retractable and removable panels, 40-20-40 rear seat with trunk pass-through, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5531.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.